directly from GOAT, so I played no games. These were like $1,600.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know how the fuck I just started this vlog out of nowhere. I guess this is a birthday vlog, and I'm about to go get a haircut. Look at my fucking beard, bro. Look at this. That shit look crazy. I haven't gotten a haircut at the barbershop in mad long. I haven't been there in mad long. I just be cutting my own hair, you feel me? I just make it do what it do. Like, during quarantine, I wasn't stressing. Like, I already know what to do with those blades. But at the end of the day, it's my Kobe birthday tomorrow, and I'm trying to be fresh, you feel me? Like, I'm about to get a cut, make my shit look spicy. Like, this is the worst my shit has been in a minute. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm about to go get this cut real quick. Y'all about to see the finished product, and then we'll start this vlog. I don't even know what this is gonna be, when it's dropping, none of that, but I'm making a little something for y'all. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, bro, I forgot to show y'all my haircut yesterday, but yo, shit crispy, bro. Look at the size, you feel me? Shit is a vibe. Oh, I look like I got cut over here. Yo, there's an accident on the road right now. Shit is tragic. I got that Supreme S logo on my head. Damn, I hope they're okay, son. On other news,
cheers, mate.
I got some Starbucks for my birthday, you feel me? Vanilla iced chai tea if you're wondering. And we got hell of them. I got another free one for my birthday. Low-key, it's a vibe. Yo, the Starbucks employee is the GOAT, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, on my Starbucks app, it says January 15th is my birthday. She hooked it up for sure. I'm about to show y'all this crazy ass accident, bro. Shit crazy. Damn, that's my old car. Holy fuck noodles, bro. Yo, I hope they're okay, bro. I'm not gonna lie, shit is tragic. But I'm really Kobe's years old. Like, rest in peace to the GOAT. If you're seeing this on your screen and somehow it makes it to YouTube, because I feel like I record so many vlogs, for some reason they never make it. Yo, smash the like button, bro. Fuck it. Yo, I forgot to tell y'all, actually, I'm about to go get a tattoo. Probably like in 20. Yo, I gotta go there now. So I'm late to go get a tattoo. And I might show y'all what I get. I might not. I haven't gotten a tattoo since my first tattoo. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. So I'm picking up this vlog literally from like a month ago. The clips before this was from my birthday, and low-key, we about to be in November like in 2 days. So I just want to go ahead and finish this vlog off. Right now I'm actually at BJ's. I'm gonna try to film a little bit in there. I just need to go ahead and get some essentials. I don't know if you guys are preparing yourself, but I do feel like shit is about to get crazy again. So my family and I are actually like bundling up with shit. We're trying to get like a bunch of shit. I'm not really gonna say exactly what. I don't want none of y'all like finding my shit and trying to take my stash if this goes left, but this is the most I've been here in a month. I'm not gonna lie, but I am gonna say that if you do have a family and shit like that, you definitely do want to get out there and just store some shit, because we don't know where this is gonna go. Just make sure you buy things that aren't gonna expire too soon. Hey, worst come to worst, we gonna be alright, but I'm gonna catch y'all.
20 minutes. If we would have wanted the entire thing.
So I don't know if you guys remembered, but like a couple weeks or damn near a month ago at this point, I did get scammed on a super expensive pair of sneakers, and I did end up getting my money back, thankfully. And I'm gonna show you guys what I did with the money from that video. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch it. I'm gonna put a link up here for it. And don't forget to slap a like on this video if you would like more vloggy kind of content. I am trying to do that on a weekly to bi-weekly basis. So let me know if you guys would enjoy that. And also leave video ideas in the comments. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. So right here we have a box, and inside this box we have the most important, most expensive pair of sneakers in my collection. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open and take the sneaker out of here. Part 2, we didn't play with them no more. This actually did come a little defective. Box is broken or whatever, but you have the label right there, Air Jordan 1 OG TS. I'm gonna talk about the box in a little bit because that actually did save me some money. So right here we have the tissue paper on the authentic pair. This is way darker than the fake pair that I had received, and I low-key just wanted to bring that up because there's a lot of things in this pair that I feel like are gonna be different than the other one. But pop this open, and in here we do have the official OG Travis Scott's in this super beautiful color. I tried for the mochas this week and that was an L. Thankfully I already had these secured, pulled them out the box, and these feel different off the rip. Honestly, I couldn't tell that the other pair was fake because I never seen a real pair in person, so you can't even blame me. The leather leather is mad tumbled. It's just a bunch of different details on these. These are directly from GOAT, so I played no games with them. But one thing that I liked from buying from GOAT is literally that they send you emails or they let you know how everything is going. With this pair of sneakers, the seller didn't say that the box was like broken or whatever. GOAT sent me $85 back for a broken box. $85 less for that, I'll take it. GOAT verification card is really important when it comes to these super expensive sneakers. First of all, they have the pink laces in them, come with the black laces, cream, the red, and the brown laces as well. This is almost like the perfect Jordan 1. I love the little details on it. I know I spoke about it in the other video that I did on them. They just weren't authentic, so I kind of wanted to do this all over again with the real pair. You got that Nike Air on the front, Cactus Jack on the tongue as well, little Cactus Jack logo on the back of them. I feel like that's a really clean touch. You only see this type of thing on collaborations like the Fragment, which they have the little lightning bolt on the side, and those are literally over $3,000. That's like another grail for a lot of people. I feel like this is way better, or just a sneaker that I would rather spend that much money on. For this sneaker right here, it's just so many differences that you won't find on a regular Jordan 1. This suede is literally bananas. Now that I have the authentic pair, I could kind of tell that the other ones were just completely fake. The suede on this is ridiculous. I don't even think that you guys will be able to see. It literally brushes in every direction. Look at that. That's crazy. These are probably the best sneakers I have in my collection, and I feel like something like this isn't even possible without you guys. I wouldn't be able to afford something like this in my collection without you guys slapping that like button or just showing love to my videos. I finally made it happen. I feel like I was so excited for the other pair, and for these I'm just like bleh, because I already saw them. I kind of felt the foo-foo pair. You know how you see the initial reaction and that's pretty much what you want, but with these I already saw them. They were just fake. I'm still excited, don't get me wrong. I'm super happy that I bought these used because I feel like I will wear them more often, but you still do have that little pocket that goes all around the ankle right here with the Velcro. The Velcro is way stronger on this pair of sneakers as well. It's just a way more sturdy, way more smooth looking. Look at the tumbleness on the toe, bro. It's crazy. This is way better than that foo-foo pair. One thing I'm gonna say is that if you see these sneakers like and somebody's just walking by with them, you wouldn't be able to tell if they're authentic or not, and that's kind of scary for someone who spent so much money on a pair of sneakers. I did get these from GOAT, so I know they're authentic, but a lot of people might be rocking fools out here and you just will never know. I'm gonna just give y'all some close-ups right here. I really do like the pink laces on them, but I don't know how wearable it is, honestly. You got the regular swoosh on this side, little Cactus Jack branding right there. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna try to get it in there. Cactus Jack going down right here, Cactus Jack logo on the back, that Velcro on there as well, and that's pretty much it, bro. These are a clean ass pair of sneakers. I feel like if you have these in your collection, you're golden, bro. With some Travis Scotts and some Off-Whites, you're low-key killing the game nowadays. Now I have the 1s, the 6s, the 4s, and maybe something coming in the mail, but these are fire. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited that I have these in the collection and they're authentic. Thank Jesus. I don't even know how to put it into words. I just feel like this is something that I've been working towards for mad long. I had to go through tribulations to even get this sneaker. I got the foo-foo ones and now I got the real ones. Thank you guys for always showing love to the channel, man. It definitely means a lot. I am gonna be giving away a box logo tee coming up really shortly. I'm trying to decide what size and what tee to get. Let me know in the comments below what you would be interested in. I'm kind of debating on getting like a size large because I feel like some big boys could stretch that bitch out and then some smaller people could also shrink it. It's kind of like that middle size that a lot of people can fit, so I'm debating on that. But just let me know in the comments what you would like to see on the channel. I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. With all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. We're out. Look at the big boy, bro. Like, come on. Dreams do come true. Just remember that. Whenever you're down and out, just remember, anything is possible.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel